Here we have some awesome black bar stools. So these are fully adjustable, swivel, modern looking, luxury feeling, upholstered bar stools. And the best part about this is that the little back, you can actually lean back a little bit and relax. So they're very comfortable and fully adjustable, meaning you hit the lever on the bottom and it raises to a ridiculous height and down to a lower reasonable height. So any island, kitchen island, any bar height, these will actually fit most anything. You got the 360-degree motion, nice and smooth. You could actually lower the height while sitting in the chair and easily raise the height. So the foot pedestal is in a nice place so that you can relax, you can spin. It's a nice bar stool, and it's good looking too. And with a capacity of 300 pounds, you can't go wrong. It'll fit most anybody, any size, and it only puts together in 5 to 10 minutes with 4 screws. So what more can you ask for? You should definitely consider these.